Hello friends, welcome back to this channel. In this video, I will show you how you can delete Facebook group. So without wasting time, let's start video. If this video will be helpful for you, please like it and subscribe our channel. So firstly, open the Facebook and you will see three lines on top right. Click on it. And here, click on groups. And click on your group. And choose the group which you want to delete. Click on group. Then click on manage options. Then scroll down the page and you will see delete group. Click on it. So click on delete group. So in this way you can delete your Facebook group. If this video is helpful for you, please like it and subscribe our channel.